Was it like this when you moved in?
No. There was some bugs in there, and a lot. There were spiders, all kinds of stuff.
Yep.
Lizards. Yeah.
Lizards?
Lizards.
In the house?
In the walls.
Oh, if it was my house, I'd kill it with fire. Burns the ground. Is the rock in the house? No. You're not gonna build a house on a rock. This is weird. Oh. The rock is in the house?
Yes.
Yes.
The rock is in the house.
Not to scare you, but do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Had a
Is that something disintegrated?
Oh, yeah.
It was a raccoon.
It was a raccoon.
Whew. It's scaring me.
Yeah, the kids can't come out and play, and I know that's one of the big things for them.
Ethan and Basha deserve a backyard that wasn't designed by Stephen King. Was that a door at one point or no?
I think he wanted to make it a door, and his wife said no.
Wait, is this a door too?
So that literally goes out onto the roof of the mudroom.
So they're just like big door-like windows.
Windows.
The DOORDOW.
The DOORDOW.
DOORDOW.
I've come up with a new word. It is a window that was meant to be a door, but then they abandoned the door plan and made it a window, and now it's a DOORDOW.
This was the one large bathroom.
Okay.
And there's no doors. Oh, everything is showing.
Oh, man. So, anyone else in the house is free to hear what's happening here in the bathroom. Jeff, if you have chili, you have to tell everybody to leave the house. All right?
That's right, Retta.
Can I get some walls up in here? Please? Mommy wants some chili. I'm kidding. We've got brick flooring. Can't imagine walking on brick the whole time.
So this brick is not even?
Even, yeah.
And
it's like
so
cobblestone.
Yeah, yep. You're constantly walking on uneven floors.
I feel like you have to wear flat rubber-soled shoes in that house. Good thing I wore these. Could you see my foot at all? I mean, it's a good thing I wore these. Oh, that was good.